In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore archived lists on Trello. If you've ever accidentally archived a list or cleaned up your board a little too aggressively, don't worry. Your lists are not gone forever, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to bring them back onto your board. First, open Trello in your browser or app and go to the specific board where the list used to be. This is important because archived items are stored on the board they came from. So make sure you're on the correct board before you continue. Give the page a second to fully load so that all the options are visible. Next, look towards the top right corner of your Trello board. You'll see an icon with 3 dots, sometimes labeled as the Show menu or More menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This opens the board menu, which gives you access to a lot of board level options, including your archived content. Once the menu is open, look for the option called Archived Items and click on it. This is where Trello stores anything you've archived on that board, including both cards and lists. When this page first opens, Trello usually shows your archived cards by default, so don't worry if you don't see your missing list right away. At this point, you should be looking at a list of archived cards. To switch from cards to lists, find the toggle or tab near the top that lets you choose between cards and lists. Click on Lists. As soon as you do that, Trello will display all the lists that have been archived on this board. Take a moment to scroll if you have a lot of archived content and locate the specific list you want to bring back. When you've found the list you want to restore, look to the right side of that list name. You'll see a Restore option. Click on Restore. Trello will immediately unarchive that list and place it back on your board. Typically, it will reappear towards the right side of your existing lists, so scroll horizontally if you don't see it right away. And that's all you need to do. You've successfully restored an archived list on Trello. You can repeat these same steps anytime a list goes missing, or if you simply want to bring back something you archived earlier.